Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So how many of you are excited to come to school from first?
What, ma'am?
How many of you are excited to come to school from first?
Me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Me.
I'm excited.
Good morning, ma'am.
Me too, ma'am. I am also.
Yeah, but
Me, ma'am.
I know most of you will be excited, but how many of your parents will be willing
Good
to?
morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. From September.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Ma'am, how are you, ma'am?
They may
I
be.
heard that schools are
Ma'am,
opening.
Wednesday is the school, na, ma'am.
Huh?
Wednesday is school, na, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, when onwards school are opening, Wednesday is our school, na, ma'am.
Ma'am, I heard that
Ask.
our schools are opening. Is that true, ma'am?
That's what
Yes, ma'am.
government has sent this thing, and they have asked teachers also to come to schools. But we don't know till it really opens, because we are just taking a poll. How many are willing to come? How many parents are willing to send their children? I know most of the students are willing to come, but when it comes to parents, they will not be willing to send. So we are going to take a rough estimate of how many kids are going to come to school from each section. So all of you raise your hands who are willing to come.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'll ask my mom.
Ma'am, Srinika, I'll also ask my mom and I'll come, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I also ask my mom and come.
Ma'am, can you tell again, ma'am? Already
What?
my mother said my mother will send the school to me, ma'am.
She won't send.
She will send it since now.
Ma'am, even my mother said she will send, ma'am.
Raise your hands.
Ma'am, my parents did not agree, ma'am.
Then don't raise your hand.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm coming.
My parents also did not agree, ma'am.
Yeah, listen to me. Those who are willing to come along with your parents' approval, raise your hands. I'll just make a count. That's it.
Ma'am, actually next week we are coming to Hyderabad, ma'am. Ma'am, my father is telling no, ma'am. My mother is telling okay, ma'am.
No, what? Not like that. One answer. Raise your hand. 100% if you are
Ma'am,
willing to.
Srinika, I am coming to Hyderabad on September 1st, ma'am. Because now I'm in Vizag.
To you.
See, I'm not asking all these things for your family issues. I'm just asking, are you willing to come or not? I'll just take a count. For example, you have 36 students. How many are coming from 5 section? This I need to report you to my principal ma'am, our principal ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. My mother is telling will.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 students, huh? Yes or no? That's it. No reasons. So 5B section, only 7 students are willing to come.
Yes.
Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am, 8, ma'am.
Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am, my mother is saying we'll see later, ma'am.
So roughly
Just
8.
6 members.
Okay.
Hasn't I don't have video.
So let's continue with our lesson. I think I stopped here. 1 second.
Ma'am, oral test.
No.
Oral test,
Acha.
afternoon test.
Stay, ma'am.
Yeah, before starting the lesson, let me brush up yesterday's thing. Yeah, what is the central theme in our story? Deepesh. Deepesh,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the central theme of our story? What we are talking about in the entire story?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
No, ma, I have already asked twice. Why don't you concentrate when I say?
Ma'am,
Madhar,
can I
you
tell
say?
ma'am I'm Yashashwin?
Yashashwin say.
Ma'am, about football.
Yeah, the entire story revolves around football. Deepesh,
ma'am.
Deepesh, did you
Ma'am, the
understand?
girl. Yes, ma'am. The girl want to have a new football shoes, ma'am, with studs, but our father said no.
Yeah. Abhi,
Ma'am, and she want to become like FIFA heroes, ma'am.
okay. Abhi,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
when after the school she goes to some market, what does that one person will be shouting? What does he shout?
Ma'am, I didn't attend yesterday's class, ma'am. I have internet issue.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Ashita.
Ma'am, he's shouting for running.
He's shouting for running.
Ma'am, can I tell Mama and Deepesh?
Deepesh, I just gave you a chance. Do you expect that I will give you a chance again?
Ma'am, can I tell I'm Yukta?
Say.
Ma'am, that shoe keeper is asking, come on here, very nice shoes are there for running, walking, all sports shoes are there. Come on, buy here, very cheap cost, ma'am.
Okay.
Colorful shoes.
Mr. Shopkeeper calls out loudly. Get your shoes here! Running shoes, football shoes, shoes for every sport, all sizes, all colors. Either the size was not right.
Out soul. I'll never become a famous footballer.
Yesterday.
Costly shoes don't make great footballers, Jen. Hard work and intelligence do.
Yeah, the moral of the story is, yeah, Neha, can you tell me the moral of the story? As so far you have understood.
And the moral of the story is, if we get the perfect shoes, we don't get anything, mom. When we practice, we get anything, mom.
Very good. Only hard work and practice pays, not the fancy shoes or professional shoes, not just in football or anything. Anything you take in the life. You think that if you have a very nice house, your life will be best. Nothing like that. You can be happy anywhere. Even in the hut, you can be happy. It depends upon your mind status, your attitude towards the life. If you think that I have a very expensive car, I'll be happiest person in the world. No. Even if you buy an expensive car, that happiness will be there for only 1 day, maximum 2 days. Okay, so materialistic things doesn't give you happiness, only temporary happiness. Relationships with your parents, relationship with your friends, how well you maintain nice relations with the people around you, how happy you are with whatever you have. Okay, whatever you have, whatever God gives you, if you're happy, your life will be the best. All your life will be happy.
Ma'am, if we even have money, we will not be happy, ma'am. If we are
money doesn't bring anything in the world doesn't bring you permanent happiness. Only your attitude towards life will bring permanent happiness. If you want to stay happy from the mind, if you decide I want to stay happy with whatever I have, you will be happy. If you think I want this dog, I want that dress, I want this toy, you'll be always dissatisfied. But human nature is like that. We always hope for something, isn't it? We always want to buy something, always want to have something. That we can't change. But as far as possible, we can try to stay happy.
Welcome, sir and ma'am. I knew you'd come back. Nowhere in this entire world will you find shoes like you'll find here. I have just the right pair for you. They are just the right kind to learn to kick a ball well. A perfect fit.
I wish they were real football shoes.
But
It's
still
Monday.
somewhere deep in her heart, she's not happy with the shoes her father is going to buy for her. She really wanted the original football shoes. So somehow she got convinced and she bought the shoes. And it's Monday afternoon. The class is waiting for their first lesson. But Jen doesn't want to wear those shoes.
The afternoon. The class is waiting for their first lesson. But Jen doesn't want to wear her shoes.
Okay, class.
There is a box of shin pads. Find a pair that fit you. Then put on your football things and report to the field. Hurry. So what are shin pads? I'll show you.
Ma'am, what is meaning of report to field, ma'am?
Field, play area. where she's going to learn,
Ma'am,
where
can you say that PT sir is saying, ma'am? I did not understood.
yeah, I'll tell you. Please first let me to show you how shin pads look like. Otherwise, you won't understand what I'm talking about.
Okay, ma'am.
These are the shin pads, ma'am. Like just like how you in cricket you wear.
Ma'am, share screen, ma'am.
Yeah, with
Ma'am, we cannot see, ma'am.
you cannot see. Okay, just like in cricket, how do you wear? These are the shin pads which you wear.
Sweatings also we wear, ma'am. In sweatings also.
Listen to me first. So these are the protective pads which you wear while playing football. So even if you fall down, you won't get hurt. You won't get hurt. Your knees will not fracture or something.
Ma'am, while skating we will
First-
use in school.
Yeah, first you need to put your shin pads. He says few things before going into getting into the field. What are the things you should say? I mean, what are the things you should do?
The afternoon. The class is waiting for their first lesson. But Jen doesn't want to wear her shoes.
Okay, class.
Yeah, okay, class. There is a box of shin pads. That means 4 kids are there, right? So there is and each kid may be different in size. Though they belong to the same class, one girl is slightly shorter, one boy may be slightly plump. So according to your size, select your shin pads, wear it, find the pair. That means you need to wear 2 shin pads, right? Find a pair and then put on your football things like shoes or jacket or whatever, all the related things to play football, and report to the field. That means go to the field and wait for me. Okay, all of you stand in the lane and wait for me. Mokshit, are you understanding, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a box of shin pads. Find a pair that fit you. Then put on your football things and report to the field. Hurry. Get in line, everyone.
Your shoes are just like mine. Yes, and the same as Pam's and Tessie's and Shirley's.
So all of them brought from the same fellow. Are you understanding? The shopkeeper who was shouting on the road.
Shoes, ma'am.
Where is his distance? See, all of them. What, Neha? See, all of them.
They all got this.
All of them went to the nearby market. So that same person, the same who was shouting on the road, he sold to all of them, the same pair.
5 children in similar shoes.
So the coach identifies, what is this? Most of you are wearing the same shoes. Then he says, this must be a record.
This must be a record.
And we all live on Back Street.
So actually, they all live in the same colony. So generally, your parents will go to nearby market. So all their parents also went to the nearby market and accidentally bought the same shoes from the same person. And they live in the back street.
Ma'am, this must be a record with what, ma'am?
So all of you must be they are wearing the same shoes. So it's a record, right? Record means something coincidence.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you must all play for the same team.
So he says, whoever wearing the same shoes, you become a nice gang. You become a nice team. And he named the team as Backstreet Heroes because they all live in Backstreet.
You can be the Backstreet Heroes.
And
The back-
what the shoes they bought in the back street, ma'am.
No, Backstreet they live. Their residence is in Backstreet. So obviously, suppose you stay in Matrishinagar, you obviously go to Kukatpalli to buy anything. So all of you, most of them will be going to Kukatpalli. Similarly, they stay in Backstreet. They might have gone to the nearby market.
Street heroes win the match.
The heroes are the champions. And Jen, you have already scored 5 goals.
So in spite of wearing that roadside shoes, she scored 5 goals. Isn't it strange? Isn't it fascinating?
Yes,
Jen
ma'am.
cleans her new football shoes in her backyard.
After she comes back from the school, she goes to her backyard and she nicely cleans her shoes.
I will become a FIFA hero. Yes, I will.
So once she scored the 5 goals, even with her ordinary shoes, then she realized, then she understood that what her father said was right. It doesn't depend on the shoes. It only depends upon your hard work and practice.
Ma'am, backyard means what, ma'am?
Backyard, ma, where your house will be
Ma'am,
there,
like
right?
balcony.
That is front. No, not balcony. Suppose imagine a normal house. Earlier we had normal houses like other than apartments. So front yard is where you park your car and vehicles and all that. You maybe put some 1 or 2 chairs. Backyard is where you dry your clothes. Okay, your maid will come and wash utensils. Imagine typical houses earlier.
Yes, ma'am. Independent houses.
So her life ambition becomes, I will become independent houses. Exactly. I'll become a FIFA hero. Her life ambition is to become a FIFA hero. That her goal. See, imagine.
Ma'am, the shoes doesn't matter, ma'am. The hard work and the playing matters, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. See, even though, don't you think so? She's a little girl. She may be around. Where is the sound, ma? He's mute. So even though she must be around 6 or 7 years, not more than that, maybe 8 years maximum. But still, look at her confidence, look at her commitment. She's decided for her life, her ambition. I want to become a FIFA hero. That's it. That is my goal. And she's going to work towards it. So now can you tell me another moral of the story? Harshika, can you try?
Tell,
Harshika. Yeah, Manish, say.
ma'am, if we keep hope that I will success in my life, definitely we will success, ma'am.
And age doesn't matter, isn't it? You can decide your life ambition.
Ma'am, age doesn't matter, ma'am. Talent matter.
Yeah, how hard you work and how much commitment you show
And what is matter, ma'am?
doesn't matter. That means it doesn't affect.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now what we'll do, since it is a comic type of thing, right? Did you understand the difference between the other lessons and this lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
It's like comic.
The girl is talking, ma'am, with what she's expecting, they're giving that, ma'am.
Yeah, it's like comic books. Have you ever read comic books?
Ma'am, I read, ma'am.
It's like comic books. So what we'll do?
I read even Spider book, comic book.
Okay, one comic books, ma'am. Tinkle comic books. Earlier we need see when we were small, when we of your age, we didn't have phone, we didn't have TV, we didn't have internet, and there is only one channel that is Doordarshan. So all we did was played for 5 to 6 hours after the school and read comic books. Small comic books, novels, stories, small story books. That is what we did. We never had even landline also. Landline just started. When I was maybe even 2nd standard or 3rd standard, it started landline.
Ma'am means here they are talking, ma'am. Here they are saying, ma'am.
What exactly they're speaking, it is given in the
Yes.
See, these are comic books, Maneha. Find out from the nearby bookstore. Do you have any bookstores?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for us,
you can show comic books. And like in newspapers also like this will come now.
Ah, newspapers also, small skits will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I made it. Means here they are showing what they are talking exactly, ma'am. In
The words
other
are
lessons,
like
they are saying this.
indirect speech, right?
Ma'am, I made a comic.
You made a comic book?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have Marvel comic book.
Oh, which one? From here?
Yes, ma'am.
Very interesting comic books. Right? Get a hang of it. You will not you become addicted.
I will read daily, ma'am.
How many pages they will
After class, I will read that comic books, ma'am. I have so
Every
many
class.
cartoons one also.
Deepesh, wait. If you read comic book now, your language will improve, your reading skills, your vocabulary, everything will improve. Okay, give attendance.
Ma'am, and
Deepesh,
we
enough,
will
enough,
Harry
Deepesh.
Potter book, ma'am.
Yeah, enough. Let's stop and let's take attendance and let's continue with the reading part of the lesson. Okay, attendance, please.
1, 2.
I didn't see Aditi today. Is she there?
3, Diana.
Aditi.
No, ma'am, she's not there.
Diana also absent.
Not there.
Diana also absent.
She's
No,
there,
ma'am.
ma'am, Diana.
She's there, ma'am.
Okay, continue. Attendance.
5. Akshara. Aishwarya. 6. 5.
Aishwarya present? No.
6. Yes, ma'am. I'm present.
Aishwarya is there, ma'am.
Christina?
7.
Christina is not there, ma'am.
Not there, ma'am. Absent.
7.
Hasini?
6 present, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Jerusha?
Jerusha is not there, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
The new fellow, did he start coming?
Ma'am, in last class I saw someone named Abhinav, ma'am.
Abhinav or John?
No, ma'am, he's not joining.
Ma'am, who is John, ma'am?
Manogna, is she there?
Present, name, no.
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Manogna there?
Yes, ma'am.
19. Ma'am, 18.
Hmm.
22.
24. 23. 24. 23 present, ma'am.
Sabri Girish? No?
Ma'am, last class he came, ma'am.
Ma'am, present, ma'am. 17.
Hmm. Varni, is she there?
No, ma'am.
Yashdeep?
He's there, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yashashwin and Asdeep both are there.
Oh, okay, took attendance.
Ma'am, Srijanya present.
I gave everybody. Those who have, I have doubt, I call.
Ma'am, this
Ma'am, now we will do textbook exercises.
1 second, let me decide.
Ma'am, after exam, she will send this notes.
Yeah, if you want, I'll send today. Slowly you can, but yeah, anyway, you will write only after exams, right?
Ma'am, you can send to
Ma'am,
them.
Let me see. First, concentrate on exams.
Send on Sunday, ma'am. We will do it Sunday.
Sunday, right. Okay. See here. Words that have both verbs and nouns. For example, let me explain on the word.
Ma'am, that is the story, ma'am. Over.
Oh, that's it. Small story. Yeah, cross. We have two meanings for cross. First is the cross which people in Christians wear, some Christians wear. That cross. And what is another cross? Crossing the road. Isn't it? Here it is not because it's a thing or a chain. Here it is verb. All of you concentrate. Abhi, Ketan, Handel, Diana. All of you look at this word. See, cross is one word. That cross. Yeah, that word is used both as a noun as well as verb. So there is a concept called one verb, one noun can be used both as noun as well as verb. Did you all understand the simple concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Same word can be used both as noun and the verb. It depends upon the situation or the sentence. Karanveer Singh, explain what did I just tell you? Karanveer Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
What did a simple concept explain? What is it?
Cross.
You're not concentrating. I know.
Noun.
What I told, listen to me, Karanveer. Same word can be used both as noun as well as verb. Okay, this is what I just explained. It depends. You will understand whether it is used as noun or verb. It depends on the sentence.
The sentence. And one more example.
For example, loot. Loot is the robbers will loot. For example, the robbers go to one house, empty house. I mean, nobody is there in that house. They go at one night and they loot all the jewelry. So all the jewelry put together is called loot. Another loot is what? Looted. Looted. That means the robbers, this is verb, looted the bank. This is verb. Act of looting. Loot is entire jewelry, entire wealth together, or expensive things together.
Ma'am, only one word. Two it will come.
Ma'am, can I tell an example, ma'am?
Yeah. Similarly, cool drink. Drink is one orange drink or cool drink like that. Orange flavor drink.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, this is now.
Ma'am, chart.
Another
ma'am,
drink is,
break and break is also a noun, no, ma'am. Break means if we break a flower, but break means
is a
take a
short
break.
break,
for
not
10
take a
minutes.
break. Exactly. Drink
Ma'am,
is
can I tell an
drinking
example?
something. Yeah.
Ma'am, nail and nail, ma'am. Nail.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Let's see, there are so
Ma'am,
many.
I did not understand.
When they are going to any competition,
Ma'am, I
they
did not
nail that, no,
understand.
ma'am.
This, ma'am, you explained it, ma'am. I did not.
Okay, first we'll see simpler examples. Loot is slightly difficult. Then we'll go to the harder examples. Let's see one video. You will understand better. 1 second, wait.
ఏంటదే నీళ్ళు మ్యామ్ ఖాళీ లేదు క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు.
Who is talking in Telugu? That's all. All of you concentrate on this video. Slightly difficult concept, but when you understand, it becomes easy. Slightly confusing, not difficult.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
See here, address. This is my new address. Here, address is now. The minister will address the meeting tomorrow. See, that time when we had COVID, Narendra Modi addressed the nation. That means at 9 o'clock, he was talking about how the COVID situation is there, what precautions we need to take. So that address is addressing something, giving some nice few things like meeting or telling something. Whereas this address is your physical address, like 1-2-20, apartment number something, apartment name. That is that address. Okay. Did you understand the address difference between these two address, all of you? Addressing the nation means telling something about some topic. This address is your house address.
Address means Ramakrishna Nagar, Madanaguda, block number 9. Like that only, ma'am.
So similarly, nouns are the words that represent a person, place, person, idea, or a thing. Whereas verbs are the actions in a sentence, which tell about we are doing something or saying about some action. So words which are nouns and also work as verbs. See this, words which are nouns and also work as verbs. Yeah, laugh. One laugh is, I like your laugh. That means the way you laugh, I like it. Another is they are laughing. They are doing some action because of somebody cracked a joke. Yeah, the archer has a good aim. That means he has a very has a talent of good aim. That means if you show him some target, he will definitely has the talent to aim that. Another is he's aiming at the bird. That means he's exactly doing some action. That means aiming means he's trying to hit some bird. That is verb. Archer, a person who uses bow and arrow. Archer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, the back of your dress has a stain. Has a stain. You know what is stain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whereas another one is the driver is backing the car. That means he's taking.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what is the meaning of backing?
I'm backing.
Ma'am,
What is the meaning of backing, ma'am?
See, all of you don't talk at the same time, one by one. Backing the car means if you put the car in the reverse mode, the car will go back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That one.
Yes, ma'am, it will go.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. In this, they fish fish with simple nets. Can you say this? I did not understood, ma'am.
Where? That will come to know, ma'am.
Yes.
First understand this concept. Later we'll do the textbook exercise. See, fundamentally, you should understand the concept. How the same word can be used both as a noun and verb. Then we'll do the examples.
Okay.
Yeah, the surprise made me happy. That is the whole act of a surprise. Whereas you surprised me with a gift. This surprise is verb.
Yes, ma'am, surprised.
Ma'am, it's these both are different, ma'am.
Yeah. The end of the novel. That means the end part of the novel is thrilling. Whereas when will the festival end? I mean, when will the festival physically end? The celebrations, when will they end?
Ma'am, then what is the first one meaning?
The end of the novel,
Ma'am,
the
what is
climax.
thrilling,
scene.
ma'am?
Thrilling, exciting. Okay, so some novels will be there, right? Where the end is very thrilling, the climax of the novel. The end portion of the novel is very thrilling, or you will come to know that somebody has killed something who didn't expect, whom you didn't expect, like that. Okay, anyway, these are so many examples are there. I'll forward this video. You can see later. Let's do textbook examples of page number 47.
47, okay.
47, ma'am.
Yeah, in the following sentences, underline the nouns and circle the verbs. See, same word is repeated twice in a sentence. So we need to underline the word which acts as noun and circle the word which acts as verb. Okay, Manognya, read the first sentence and explain. Let me see how far you have understood.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute. Reading one. What was the message in the ma'am?
47 page. Down part. We will camp at the.
Okay, ma'am. We will camp at the foothills near the old fishing camp.
Yeah.
Camp means like if we go for trekking or there we will be
carrying the backpacks and all that. And where? Near the old fishing camp. That means fishing camp is a physical camp. Okay, camping is the act of doing camp. So first camp is verb and second camp is the noun, where all the tents are placed. Fishing camp. Okay, Hamsini, explain second one.
Okay, ma'am. They fish huge fish with simple nets. Here, they fish means they are fishing the fish, and the next fish means noun, ma'am.
So circle first fish, underline second fish. Isn't it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, first fish is the verb and the second fish is the noun.
Exactly. First fish is the verb and second fish is the actual fish. That is the noun.
Read,
Ma'am, then what is the meaning of the first fish, ma'am?
Fishing, ma. Verb. You go for fishing. You catch the fish is fishing.
Okay, ma'am.
By taking the typical fish
The
nets.
fishing and
See, you have the
one
fish
more
net.
fish is the actual fish.
That hook kind of thing, you keep it inside the water. You know, right, how to do fishing?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yashita, read third one.
Ma'am, I'm Diana. Shall I read?
Okay, done.
Okay. They fished
That's already done.
with simple
Third one, Diana.
Fish.
Second one, Hansini already did.
Ma'am,
this drink.
after completing this, can you show the answers?
Of course, I will. Shrenika, do you need to ask?
No, ma'am, thanks.
Smells great. You must drink a little water. Drink, ma'am, and drink.
First drink is noun or verb?
Noun, ma'am.
Excellent. Second drink?
Second one is verb.
Yeah, you're drinking something.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I read?
Fourth
Ma'am.
one.
Yes, ma'am. He cooks with the cooks at the seaside restaurant. First cooks is noun, ma'am. Second cooks is verb.
He cooks means that is action.
Ma'am, first one is verb, ma'am. Second one is noun. Second one is noun.
Let Aishwarya
Second
explain.
one is noun, ma'am. First is verb.
Did you understand? Cooking works with the cooks means the person who cooked in the restaurant. Cooks, chefs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sahasra, fourth one.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Fourth one or fifth one, ma'am?
Fifth one, sorry.
She eyes the dolls in the toy shop with looning eyes.
Not longing eyes, longing eyes. Suppose, what is longing eyes? Suppose you go to a mall, you see a nice pink, nice dress. Then you will be looking at the dress like that, isn't it? For 2 minutes. Because you want the dress. That is called longing eyes. So tell me which is
Okay.
noun?
Ma'am, first eyes is verb, ma'am. Second eyes is noun, ma'am.
Yashita, sixth one.
Ma'am, once can you tell third answer, ma'am? I did not understand that. Once can you explain third one, ma'am? I did not understand.
Third one.
Can I read sixth one, ma'am? I'm Yukta.
Wait. Somebody is asking it out. See, this drink smells great. That means you are holding one orange drink or something. You are smelling something. Okay, this orange drink is noun. Okay, it's a thing. So that becomes a noun. You must drink. Drink means drinking. That is verb, action. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Ayukta, read sixth one.
Okay, ma'am. Kaki's mother asked her to milk the cows and sell the milk in the market. Fast milk is verb, ma'am.
Yeah, milking means taking the milk from the cow. And next one.
Next one is noun. Next one is noun, ma'am.
Yeah, actually the milk can. Maybe if you put the milk in the can, the milk is the noun. Thing. Okay, Ashita, read. Acha, over. Huh? Okay, I'll show the sentences.
Sixth one means first one we should take the milk,
Milk,
that is verb, and second one sell the milk.
Selling the
ma'am.
milk. The milk packet. Suppose if you put it in the packets, it's a thing, isn't it?
Ma'am, can you show the all answers?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, we have less than 1 minute.
Ma'am, you can remove.
No, ma'am, we have 1 minute.
You can write.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in this.
ma'am means, for example, fish means we have to circle the first fish, and second fish we have to underline.
Circling means noun. Underlining, underline is noun. Circle means verb.
Ma'am, I did not understand the fifth one, ma'am.
She eyes the dolls. Eyes means what? Acting. Okay.
She likes
Looking like this. She's liking it. She'll just simply stare at the doll. Suppose you want the doll, whether my parents will buy or not. I want this doll at any time, at any cost. Like that, you'll be thinking. Okay, you'll be seeing the doll. That is looking, action. With longing eyes. How you see? Longing eyes. Eyes means noun again. Isn't it? The expression of eyes is longing eyes.